The light is made of high-quality aluminum shell. They're stylish, durable, and easy to install, making it a breeze to set up by people who have no advanced electrical skills. These lights only work in the dark. You can use these lights in your closet, kitchen, or other places in your home. This LED sensor relies on AAA batteries to operate. When installing the batteries, the light will turn on once, then will turn off until the room is semi-dark or dark and there's motion detected. This light comes with an adhesive magnetic tape. To install the lights, peel off the white protective film off the adhesive tape, then place the lights in the desired location and press firmly for a few seconds until the adhesive tape is safely secure. Importantly, make sure you install the tape on a clean, dry, smooth surface, otherwise you may have issues with adhesion. Replacing batteries is very easy. Simply pull the lights off the magnetic strip, change the batteries, and detach it back in place. Never stumble in the dark with Light.